Hey everybody, I have a small haul to share with you. I purchased the Distress Oxide sprays from joggles.com. They were the first people or the first store to get it in, so I wanted to make sure that I got my hands on them because I think that they are going to go fast. I honestly don't even know if they are still in stock as I'm doing this video, but I wanted to make sure to get this video up for you guys, so if you guys want to get your hands on them, you guys can. I normally don't purchase sprays or inks as a bundle or as like, you know, I'm not really worried about owning every single color. I normally only want to get colors that I know I will use, but I was so excited because they don't have any mica powder in them, and as you know, I like my projects to be more matte finish and not too much sparkly and glittery or anything like that. So I just purchased as a bundle, and I think you save a few dollars if you do that as well. Before I get into the colors, if you would do me a favor and give this video a thumbs up. You can also share it on social media. It really helps me out and I really do appreciate it so much. Also, leave me a comment down below. I love reading your comments. I try to respond to all of the questions as soon as I can, but I do read them all. All right, so the colors I got were Picked Raspberry, and I apologize for the glare. There we go, Picked Raspberry, and again, they are more like a chalky finish, and I will definitely be doing videos on these sprays. And they have the ball in there, and I think he said to, no, I think that was the Pearl alcohol inks that he said to store on the side. But anyways, you just kind of swirl them around and then all of that pigment gets mixed in there. This one is Iced Spruce. This one is Fired Brick. Here we go. This one is Spiced Marmalade. Sorry for my hands. I was doing another video with the Art Alchemy wax. All right, this one is Wilted Violet. This one is Cracked Pistachio. This one is Vintage Photo. And we have Walnut Stain. Then we have Mermaid Lagoon, which is one of my favorites. Such a pretty color. Then we have Pilled Paint. Also Fossilized Amber. And then we have Faded Jeans. All right, so those are the Distress Oxide sprays. And I also purchased the Hardcore Art Panels just to give them a try. I love using my alcohol inks, and I wanted to see if I can try to create something that I wanted to put on my wall. And I wanted it to be something sturdy. You know, I'm gonna open this just to see, I'm curious to see the finish on top, if it's like a paint or if it's more like Yupo paper. Okay, it's definitely like a glossy type of paint. It looks like it doesn't, no, it's like a paper on top, it seems like. So I'm not exactly sure. Let me see if it actually says what it is. MDF board offering ideal. Oh, it's vinyl. Okay, so that's cool. All right, so I think this was like $10. And again, I got these at joggles.com. And I'll have links down below. Oh, this one is a little yellow compared to the other ones. That's weird. You guys see that? It's just a tad bit more yellow. I wonder if it's because it sat on top or something. I don't know. All right, I'm going to open up a couple of these to spray them out to give them a try, so you guys can see how they look, or else this video would have been like 3 minutes long. All right. And this is just some regular cardstock. This color is Faded Jeans. All right, I want to make sure that I mix it good. Oh my goodness. These are amazing. They're super, super pigmented, and they have like a chalky finish. I am going to love using these. All right, let's do a yellow, blue and yellow. So that one was Faded Jeans, and this one is Fossilized Amber. And you could, oh, look at that. You could layer them on top of each other because they are opaque. So it's really nice. Let's see. Definitely excited to use these. So I'm getting really excited to use these, but I will definitely be doing a more in-depth video on these sprays. So be sure to keep an eye out for that. I'm not sure, maybe in the next couple weeks. I do have a lot of other things that I have planned on getting up for you guys. And I think that's it, yeah. All right, if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I know it's a little bit short, but I will definitely be doing another one more in-depth, most likely a project using these sprays, and I can't wait to see how they look on a full project. All right, I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.